Welcome friends. In this video we will learn about style sheet. Style sheet are a special type of facility provided by HTML and it is new to HTML. By style sheet we can reduce lots of time using repetitive formatting of styles. So let's see various type of style sheet. Style sheet are described using cascading style sheet which is CSS. There are mainly three types of CSS: inline CSS, external CSS and embedded CSS. So we will see this CSS in our HTML document. So to create style sheet we have to give style tag in head tag. So we are giving style type is equal to text slash CSS, and in between style tag we have to write style sheet which is CSS. Now style sheet have special selectors, classes and ID. So we are using first selector. Selector is a nothing but a element. So I want to define style sheet for p tag. So write p tag and in curly braces we have to define style sheet. Now I want to define color for this particular p tag. So color can be defined using color property. We have to give colon, and after colon I have to specify color for this paragraph. So I have specify color is equal to red. Now in body tag whatever I will write in p tag that will be of red color. So I am writing this is style effect and close the p tag. Save. Let's see what is the output. We can see paragraph is written in red color. Now onwards we will write whatever in p tag that will be displayed in red color. So no need to each time we have to specify style for every tag. We can give particular standard style to one tag and we can use that tag with consistent format. So this is the internal style sheet. Now let's see the inline style sheet. Inline style sheet can be given at time of writing element. So now I want to write style sheet which is inline for h1 tag. So write style is equal to in double quotation give background hyphen color is equal to blue semicolon. I want to define one more style. Color is equal to red. Give semicolon. Write this is inline text in h1 tag and complete h1 tag. Now let's run. We can see head tag now contains blue as a background color. So this is about inline style sheet. We can also specify the external style sheet. External style sheet is written in separate file with extension .css and we have to link that style sheet file in our HTML document. So take a new notepad file and let's give style sheet for h2 tag. We can directly write in the h2 selector. I want to give color is equal to yellow, font size 15. Save this style sheet file with .css extension. Now to link this file, link tag is used. Give rel means relationship and write style sheet value and give reference which is using href st.css which is our style sheet file name. Complete link tag. Now we'll write h2 tag. Let's run. We can see H2 tag is written in yellow color and it contains size of 15. So this is about how to embedded external style sheet in our document and internal style sheet, and we can also use inline style sheet. So this is about how to use style sheet in our HTML document. Thank you.